Welcome to the training on the Amazon Seller app. You'll understand the Seller app and how it can help you grow and maintain your business on Amazon. The Amazon Seller app is a mobile app that lets you stay connected to your Amazon store while on the go. It lets you resolve important issues in real time from your phone or tablet while giving you access to your favorite Seller Central tools. Global coverage is an important feature of the Seller app. You can access your store in 19 countries and 13 languages. And with single sign-on, you can quickly and easily switch across your selling countries and regions. You can also use the Seller app to stay current on your store and see all relevant updates. The app lets you monitor your sales and business KPIs from anywhere. Your home screen dashboard shows constantly updated metrics for your store's sales and performance. See your current daily sales measured by product sales or units sold. And you can monitor your global sales with the global dashboard. Business reports also let you keep a close eye on your store's traffic and conversion rate. These reports give you an immediate snapshot of your store's performance down to the individual ASIN level. To stay current on Amazon policies and incoming updates, check the News tab. Find it on your homepage to see the most recent articles. Being aware of risks helps your store succeed, so check the Account Health dashboard to identify any account areas that need your attention. The Seller app also helps you ensure accurate statements. Use the Manage Payments tab on the home screen to see your current statement and view past statements. Staying connected to seller support can help you keep a handle on your store. If you run into any issues, you can immediately contact seller support directly from the app. Plus, you can be notified and respond to any customer support cases directly. Along with staying current, the Seller app can help you streamline your daily operations. It lets you manage your inventory from anywhere. You can adjust prices, edit existing offers, and view each individual SKU's sales quickly and easily. The Seller app can also make dealing with returns much more manageable. You can view returns, authorize return requests, and contact buyers directly from the app. The app helps with shipping too. You can monitor orders, confirm shipment for seller-fulfilled orders, and track FBA shipments all from your home screen. Use the app to add new products and listings from anywhere. Select the Add a Product tab on the home screen to create a new offer for a product already listed on Amazon or a new listing not currently being sold. Making regular use of these features can help streamline your daily operations. Bringing the Seller app into your daily routine can also help you stay connected with customers. Connecting with customers is a good way to earn a good seller rating, so take advantage of this on-the-go access. Reply to buyer messages quickly and get reminders for messages that need your attention. And you can use the app to respond to buyer feedback. Selecting the Feedback tab from the home screen lets you see and manage your feedback and post public replies. As an application on your phone or tablet, the Seller app provides unique mobile functionality that you won't find in Seller Central. First, you'll get access to visual search, the fastest way to find a product in the Amazon catalog. Just scan a product's barcode and you'll instantly see any existing listings. No barcode? No problem. You can identify products without barcodes by simply scanning them with visual search. To start visual search, tap the camera icon in the top right of the screen and point your device's camera at the product you want to scan. Push notifications are also a unique benefit. Turning on notifications helps ensure that you won't miss any important updates or urgent issues. Using the Seller app can help improve your listings. You can take, edit, and save professional quality product photos that meet Amazon standards instantly from your phone or tablet. The Seller app's Photo Studio helps make it simple. If you're interested in staying current and streamlining your daily operations, download the Seller app on your device today. Find it in both the Apple App Store and Google Play. Next, sign into your account using the same username and password you would on Seller Central. And with that, you're ready to get started. Thank you and happy selling!